Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making French toast. You will need 4 slices of bread, 2/3 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a shallow dish, add your eggs and milk. Now add the nutmeg and cinnamon. Add your salt, sugar, and vanilla extract, then whisk until well combined. If you like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my blog at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Dredge your bread in your French toast batter. Now place the bread in the pan and allow it to cook for 2 minutes on each side. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos, quests.